Let's learn the alphabet's words from A to Z. A for
Apple.
apple, apple. B for ball. C for cat, cat, cat. D for dog, dog, dog. D for dog. E for elephant, elephant. E for elephant, elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. F for fish. G for grapes, grapes, grapes. G for grapes. H for horse, horse. I for ice cream, ice cream. I for J for juice, juice. K for king, king, king. K for king. L for lion, lion. L for lion. M for monkey, monkey. M for monkey. N for nose, nose. O for orange, orange, orange. O for orange. P for parrot, parrot, parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. S for sheep, sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vulture, vulture. V for vulture. W for watch, watch. X for Christmas tree. Christmas. Y for yak, yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Z for zebra, and its last word zebra. Z for zebra. Ta-da! Good, good, good.